adventure if you can.
Well, good morning. So last night got a little bit of cool video from the mount, but sadly a storm came in and I was concerned that the GoPro was going to get drenched, so I had to pull it down. But at least we got a little bit of something. Then woke up to this amazing, fantastic view. It's really, really windy and a little chilly, but man, this is a cool place to wake up. All right, let's get some breakfast going on and then start the workday. Today is Thursday, so another glorious workday. Let's get to it. Watching these rough seas from the north and inside is actually kind of enjoyable, but wow, it is super cold out here. Well, hey, now that work's finally over for today, and I'm a determined nomad, I always want to try to walk on every beach that I can't by, just so that I can say that I did it. It's really, really cold though. It's like 45, feels like 38 Fahrenheit. And whew, but let's see what it's like down here. I really feel like I'm by the ocean. All right, let's go. Fun in this frigid beach land. All right, time to walk back. Let's go. Hi, Clifford. Very nice to see you and how warm you are. Man, it is cold out there. I am very glad to be back in the camper where it is currently 66 degrees over the, I guess, like 45. Yeah, 45 that's out there right now. Burr. So I'm gonna definitely make some dinner now that it's warm in here and I'm not freezing anymore, and then process some video so, you know, maybe you guys can see some of this stuff eventually someday. All right, let's get to it. Well, all right, thankfully I am back in the warm camper. I'm about to go back outside into that frigidness and put this back on the truck so that we can hopefully catch some stars, maybe even some lights tonight. It's really windy and cloudy and rainy, so I don't know, but we gotta try. So let's go try. Well, hey everybody, definitely been a busy morning, day, or whatever. Whole lot of work, whole lot of power consumption of very, very low. It has been cloudy and not sunny and shaded and the whole bit. It is definitely time to find a new spot to live. That's what nomads do, we live everywhere. So what did you think about those? I got a little bit of lights last night, maybe, I don't know, a little bit. Not too bad. Definitely gonna try a little further east and see if we can try it again. Until then, you know, laundry and shopping. That's what happens. It's a wonderful, wonderful Friday. So let's get to it. I decided to stop and show you guys the color of this tree. Isn't that awesome? Man, fall in Michigan is fantastic. All right, let's go find some more. Isn't it fabulous around here? Wow. All right, let's go see what else we can get into. But you know, I had to definitely get some of that drone footage driving out of there. It was fantastic. All right, let's go. So I just pulled up to this trailhead for this waterfall hike I picked out, and it's an off-road trail, so that of course means it's off-road time. Let's go. You know, for somebody who never really had an off-road truck before this one I got, you know, about 2 years ago, the amount of awesomeness that it is when you just find pretty much any trail and you're like, oh yeah, I'll just drop that in 4-low and find out. It's amazing. So if you don't have an off-road truck, I mean, that's my primary, of course, but I mean, even just one to play with, I recommend getting one because it's great. So enough of my pitch about the awesomeness of off-road stuff. Let's go find this some waterfalls. Okay, so this cool waterfall was seriously only 0.15 miles from the car. Very short. So let's keep going and find something else. Okay, so that whole adventure was a big whopping 0.36 miles. So let's go find another one to do. Still really pretty, right? I thought so. All right, let's get out of here. Okay, made it to the second trailhead. That first one I forgot to tell you guys was Adler Falls, and it's like about 2 miles usually from the thing, but you saw how short it ended up being because I drove out there. This one's called Yellow Dog River Falls, and it's about 3-mile circuit. So let's go check that out. One more thing, I forgot to talk about why I included a video of the snow earlier when I was driving. It's because I'm from Virginia originally, and it does not snow the first week in October. That's just unheard of. So of course I had to grab it. All right, let's go find some more waterfalls. Okay, so that's waterfall number 1. And look, someone left like some white roses here. I don't know why, but apparently there's a bunch there. All right, let's go find the next one. These leaves are so pretty. So many waterfalls in this trail. Well, all right, that's the last one, the Yellow Dog River. I'm pretty happy with that. There was a lot of falls. All right, let's hike back. Looks like a final resting place for somebody. And a pretty view. I'm glad I did this second hike today. This wasn't even 2 miles yet, and look how pretty all that was. Less than a mile to go. Clifford. Well, all right. Now that was less than 3 miles, some amazing, amazing waterfalls, and fun was had. Now it's time for chores like shopping and laundry. Let's get to it. Well, all right. Let's go get that shopping done. So my mom got me watch one of my movies, and she got me a present. So let's see what it is. I haven't looked at it yet. It's an Ewok. So when I was in, I want to say Washington. Yeah, I think it was in Washington. And I was in this forest and I was walking through and I was like, man, I'm getting my full Ewok on. So apparently now I have an Ewok sweatshirt, so I can give even more Ewok on. Well, all right, so I didn't talk about it yet, but like laundry was done, you know, the shopping was done. I changed the battery out, and then I've been looking for a place to find camp because it's a clear night, you know, try to maybe actually get either the lights or some gray stars or something. And I picked this this national forest that's like right beachfront, and then I just get to the turn for it and it's completely rocked off. So this just happens sometimes. So I guess the hunt keeps continuing. Let's go. Well, what a day, huh? Woke up on the beach, did some work, did couple hikes, found amazing waterfalls, got some chores done, even changed a battery. Man, what a full day. And then it ended up in a national forest that is beachfront. And now I'm gonna try to get those lights again. Wish me luck. Let's find out in the morning. Talk to you guys then. Good night.